If you visit this channel for the first time, please support us by subscribing it. Hey, you're gonna like this video for sure because today we are going to look about what you are looking this video with. Yes, it's your eye. This 28 grams of eyeball is one of the most complex organ that exists in your body with over 2 million working parts. But don't worry, I'm not going to teach you any science lessons about your eye in this video. But at some point, we all have some strange questions that struck in your brain about your eye. I'm here to help you to answer those questions. So without getting late, let's start a quick trip around 20 interesting things that you should know about your eye. If human eye was a digital camera, it would have 576 megapixel resolution. Even though there are digital cameras with more power which can see the objects in space, nothing can do its job. Our eye is the fastest muscle in our body. It can contract and expand in 1/100th of a second. Hence why when something happens quickly, we say the phrase in the blink of an eye. I also like to tell you some fact. In a single second, it's possible only to blink 5 times. Have a try, you can't do more than that. Everything you see with your eye will be upside down just as shown in this picture. I tell you the reason. Whatever your eye is watching is nothing but the reflected light rays from perspective objects. So when these light rays insides on your eye, due to the curvature of cornea, the light ray bends and forms an inverted image. It is your brain which converts the image right way up and conveys the right message. So that means your eye currently watching this video like this. About half of the human brain is dedicated to vision and seeing. 80% of our memories are determined by what we see, and the remaining 20% constitutes of sounds, smells, taste and touch senses. That's why practical education plays a major role than theoretical in learning. Like heart, brain, lungs, your eyes can function at 100% at any given moment without any rest. That's why while sleeping, if anyone open our eyes, half of our brain get activated and we wake up. Because we cannot sleep with a quarter brain. Your eye provides you great security during biometric authentications. Because while your fingerprint have 40 unique characteristics, your iris have 256 unique characteristics, which makes it highly impossible to forge your identity. That's why the retina scans are increasingly being used for security purposes. The fear of eyes is called emetophobia. The people with this phobia cannot look into others' eyes. This phobia occurs when anybody sees these kind of incidents in real life. By taking a sight test along with eye conditions, we can also detect the health conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure without taking any special tests individually. Each individual eye contains 107 million cells, of which all are light sensitive. These are the only cells that survive from the time you born until your death in your body. And the cornea is the only tissue in the human body that does not contain any blood vessels. Among all over the world, poking the eyeball with a mascara wand is recorded as the most common cosmetic injuries. A weird fact again, the shark cornea is nearly identical to the human cornea. In some cases, the shark eye has been used in human eye surgeries too. I ask you a question. Like humans, do animals also get vision impairment as hereditary? The answer is yes, but no, because we humans are social animals, so we support each other and also our bad vision can be corrected by wearing glasses. Thus, bad vision becomes as one of our hereditary characters. But in case of animals, hunting is their main source to live. If they got bad vision due to any injuries, they are unable to find their food and will die in few days. Thus, their genes of bad vision will be destroyed and do not pass to the future generations as hereditary. Have you ever think which animal have the most powerful eye? Maybe you're thinking it's eagle. But the winner is red-tailed hawk. Yes, red-tailed hawk has the most powerful eyesight, which is 7 times greater than humans. But what about the least? We also have animals which don't have eyes. But there is an interesting thing to discuss. There are also animals which don't have eyes but can see. Animals like sea urchins, hydras, octopuses, they don't have eyes. All cells in our eyes are light sensitive. These animals have such kind of cells on their bodies so that they can detect their surroundings by using light. Another ranking. Which animal have the largest eye on this planet? It is giant squid, which have the largest eyes on this planet with a diameter around 27 centimeters. And the smallest eye is bacterial cells. Yes, bacteria can also see this world. Every single bacteria cell acts as an eye. There are totally 6 common eye colors present in the world's population. They are brown, blue, green, hazel, amber, grey. Among all, 79% of people have brown eyes. There is a fact that all people with blue eyes are related by their grandparents. Also, heterochromia is a condition where a single person have 2 mixed colored eyes. You can see the possibilities of eye colors in this table. If you are excited, pause the video and have a look. Human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors, but it can see only 3 colors: red, blue and green. The remaining 9,999,997 colors are the combination of these 3 colors. There is a surgery called iris implantment surgery, through which anyone can change their eye colors. But it is included with 99% risk. Many people lost their eyes due to this surgery, so it became illegal to perform the surgery. So the better way to change eye color is to use temporary eye contact lenses. If you arrange all the eyelashes shed in your whole life in an order, it measures over 98 feet distance. Our brain always compares the images of 2 eyes and allows us to detect how far the object is from us. It also uses the information of another eye to cover the blind spots due to optic nerves of one eye. You may observe that while crying, your nose gets runny. Do you ever think why? It's actually not mucus. While crying, excessive tears will generate in your eyes. Some of those tears will come out and some of those tears will drain into your nose. And those tears will make your nose runny. That's why when you stop crying, your nose becomes normal. Hey, don't forget to like this video and support us by subscribing this channel. We promise you that we come up with more interesting videos. Thanks for watching this.